Good evening, YouTube. Welcome back to another weekend vloggity vlog. Today we're gonna go pick up a FA20 with our friend Carlos that you guys met a couple videos ago when we picked up his Sequoia. So, as usual, we're gonna open up this video with a cold start. Good old cold start. So, let's get going and hit up Carlos. So I'll catch you guys when we get there. Observe as we watch Mr. Carlos work his evening away while he makes us wait. Yeah, I can see you. Hi. We've been spotted. We've been spotted. Oh no. He spotted us. Hi. What are we doing today?
Picking up another unreliable engine.
Oh. You wanna tell us what happened to the old one?
It's a Subaru engine that did Subaru things, so it blew up.
Blew up.
Like usual.
Like usual. Okay.
And now I lost the keys of my tree.
How'd you lose the keys to the tree?
I'm wondering if I left them in the car.
Oh, so you're saying I should have stole it? He's only had this for what, 2 weeks? 2 weeks and you lost the key already?
Oh, they might be inside of the other car.
Inside the Supra. Here's the broken engine. We put this in last winter and now it's broken after 3-4 months? I don't know how long, but you can see there's another one in the corner right there. And a spare piston. So yeah, that makes 3 engines so far, and now we're gonna go pick up the 4th. So don't worry, in the winter his plan is to eventually K-swap it into a K24 so it's more reliable, but he wants to get an engine to put in just for the remaining season so he can still get some seat time. So yeah, we're gonna go pick it up soon. Ready to get your engine?
Yep.
Let's go check it out.
No, it's open header, yeah.
Does it run?
Yes, but I tore an oil line out. I'm waiting for an oil line to come in. I need to fix it because it's kind of dripping.
So what are the details with what are the details with this LS? Which LS?
So this is has the hot cam that comes directly from Chevy.
I heard that shit, yeah.
Yeah.
So
that's not an aftermarket cam. It comes from Chevy.
Yeah. So they have a base one that's like 425 horsepower. This one's like up closer to 500.
500 in this light of a car.
Yeah, I know. Everybody tells me, yeah, you're just gonna. But I'm like, it's gonna be sweet.
We've had
Open header.
Yeah.
Yeah, the neighbors must love you.
Oh no, yeah.
You have to press it. Which one is it?
I have.
All right. We picked it up.
Yes.
Are you happy? He's happy.
Hopefully.
He's happy. All right, what are we gonna do next? Get this back in?
Get this in the garage, and hopefully we don't die in the process. And the straps are holding.
They are holding.
All right.
All right.
No. Ooh, 1%.
Go charge your phone. Fucked up. we doing now? We're getting another engine. So Carlos, I think we would say you have a hoarding problem, don't you?
Yeah.
A big hoarding problem?
Engine hoarding problem.
Let's see, we just, let's see. We just picked up one. We're gonna pick up another. He has one sitting in there, and he has one sitting in the car. That makes 4 total in your garage. 4 engines. Because you have 2 sitting on the ground, 1 in the car.
No, it'll make 5 now.
5?
Yeah.
Where's the 5th one?
In pieces.
Oh, the piston.
No. The heads, everything is there except the short block.
Oh.
The rest of the engine is there.
Yeah, he has too many engines.
So.
And how many transmissions?
4.
4 transmissions.
5 engines and 4 transmissions.
Yeah. You could build a whole team of 86s with all those engines and transmissions.
Well, if only they worked.
Alright, let's go pick up another one.
Yeah, they're marking shit on the road.
Got one fucked up here. Yeah, the cars. Is it up there?
Ooh, oh my god, look at it. Oh my god.
No engine, but a nice red intake manifold. If you're gonna put on the engine that's gonna last how many more months? 2 months. Okay. Well, today was a fun time picking up 1.5 engines.
Yes.
Well, more like 1 1/4.
1 1/4.
1 1/4. Next time we'll be back tearing apart this thing over here. Okay, wrapping this video up. It was kind of all over the place, but we got an engine for Carlos, and next week we're gonna put it in. I don't think I'm gonna get a chance to make a video on that based on when I'm gonna upload this. But yeah, hopefully today's video was a little interesting, a little different from what's normal. If you guys enjoyed, hit that like and subscribe button. We're almost at 1,000. We are just past 700. Thank you guys so much for subscribing, and make sure to follow my Instagram at QMedia. Yeah, that's it. After this video, I will probably be in Japan, so look out for some vlogs for when I go to Japan. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.